half sister. This is how it came. See the packaging, how gorgeous. We're going to lose this. Too much of emotion, zones on the lighting. You wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. It came with a detachable elastic strap. It came with a wig cap. So guys, this is the wig. Is 13 by 4 lace wig and a stiff lace part. You can do a long part with it. This is the lace and these are the coils. It's highlight blonde color. One thing I like about this stick part, see, it's very long and you can do a very long part. If you are like me that like long parting, you can do that. You see that it's very long and it came with extra adjusted detachable strap. Okay, there's one here. There's adjustable strap here as well. Came with combs by the sides, about 3 combs. Is it 3? No, 4 combs. 1 in the middle, 2 in front and 1 at the back. And you can see the inside of the wig. I like it that here is transparent, so hair can pass through here, because when everything is covered, it's not good. You'll be sweating under your scalp. So with this, air can pass through this lace. You see, it's transparent here, and the pattern is very long. This thick part is very long. So I'm going to twist the lace a little. I'm going to work on it a little off camera, then I'll come back to install it with you guys on camera. So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box in case if you're interested. Dash to the description box. The direct link to it will be on the description box, so you can wear this wig in all season. See, so beautiful. I like the coils, so defined. Guys, this is it. I twist the front little, just little, because of the joining here. I don't want to twist it too much. You can see there's joining here. You can see this part here. If I over twist this thing, you guys are going to see this joining, which we don't want. And also at the back, I did a patty. You can see as long as this. I'm going to wet it in here. I have water and conditioner, so I'm just going to spray this all over the hair. So after that, I'm going to use a hair mousse, this one, on the hair as well. This one is going to define the coils more. It's on the back for you guys to see. So I'm just going to use my hand to finger comb through it this way. You see the coils, they are so lovely. So lovely coils. I want you guys to see it well. It's only the hair mousse I'm going to use on it. I'm not using any other cream on this wig. You see, with this, the coils are so gorgeous. So this is it. I'm going to use a wax stick on the middle part. Then I'll use a hot comb. can see that I cut here, so I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. I'm just going to follow the hairline in a zigzag form.
So extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pops.
So that is done. I'm going to remove baby hair. Like I said, I did not twist it much because of this joining.
So tell me we'll be on a date, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
So let me wear it so that you guys will see how it looks like. Before wearing it, I'm going to spray this on the lace. These airbrush legs. You can see that the lace is a little bit white right now, so that is why I'll spray this on it so that I can match my skin tone. So guys, I'm back. This is the wig. So I'm just going to wear it for you guys to see. I don't think I'm going to glue this wig down because there are so many ways you can wear wigs without gluing them down.
I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave.
So guys, this is it on. I'm going to use small styling gel.
Passion, we could share love and
just little in the front.
Go insane either way, baby. We could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention. I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation.
So guys, this is the finished look.
We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blem, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions.